And 2 BHK apartments near Pragati Nagar, near Incois. Total 20 apartments ready to occupy, 1100 SFT, 2 bedroom. This is front end elevation. Here 30 feet road. We are going inside. Nearby apartments, projects. Good colony, decent colony. Near Pragati Nagar, Incois area. We are entering here. At present car parking tiles work is going on. Here car parking area. Inside lift provision. This is lift area. And here is staircase. This is entrance. 2 entrances. One is this. One is that area. Car parking tiles work going on. This is another entrance. This is another entrance. Okay. 2 entrances. This is the lift area. This is lift area. And again this is staircase. Final finishing work is going on. Pragati Nagar area. This is ground floor. East facing 1100 SFT, and that is second east facing, and lift area west facing, and fourth west facing. We are going second floor. Opposite houses. This is second floor area. Again here curing work is going on. Again we are going third floor. Here is tiles work started. Something is better ground floor. There is no water. Opposite houses. SFT east facing. Hall. This is a hall. Window. This is open kitchen. Open kitchen. Inside. Wash area. Here it is dining. This is puja room. And this is common bathroom. This is one bedroom, attached to toilet. This is children's bedroom. Inside shelves. Here it is, balcony. We are going second east facing. This is east facing 1100 SFT. This is the lift area. Second east facing. We are entering here 1100 SFT. This is a hall. TV unit here. TV unit. This is puja room and the kitchen. At present raining started. Kitchen and another master bedroom, attached toilet, and children's bedroom. This is 1100 SFT. Per square feet 4,000 rupees plus 3 lakhs amenities. This is 1100 SFT west facing. Hall. Here TV unit. It is master bedroom. Inside shelves, attached toilet. kitchen, open kitchen, puja room, here dining, another children's bedroom, and backside balcony. Backside balcony. Ready to occupy. Final second coat painting is started. Ready to occupy. Per square feet 4,000 rupees plus 3,70,000. Ready to occupy. Final work is going on. This is fourth west facing. We are entering west facing. This is a hall. TV unit. Woodwork started. Doors. Open kitchen. Open kitchen. Wash area. And puja room. Here dining. Master bedroom. Common toilet. Inside shelf. Attached bathroom. Master bedroom. Attached bathroom. And here is children's bedroom. Inside shelves. Backside balcony. It is the opposite view. Nearby other houses. Near Pragati Nagar. Jagan Studio. Inco is near. Ready to occupy 2 BHK apartments. Total 20 apartments. Each floor 4 apartments. Each floor 4 apartments. 5 floors 20 apartments. This is staircase for first floor, second, third floor, and inside lift. We are going again down area, ground floor. This is tiles work going on, car parking tiles work. Opposite houses. This is again back end of the outside. Front end elevation.